Hi everyone, so today we are going to unbox and show you how the Intuos Pro of the Wacom brand looks like and how it works actually in real life. So this Intuos Pro, as I know, is one of the best pen tablets available in the market right now. I would not say the best, but one of the most comfortable pen tablet which is available in the market right now. Me, in my professional art industry, which I'm an artist by myself, so in my office I use this Wacom pen tablet, that is Intuos Pro, for my work purpose. So as you can see, this packet, this is like, we have a black covering of this one. This is a famous brand Wacom. This is the Intuos series. So in the Intuos series, it's a professional version of the Intuos series pen tablets. So we will have a quick look at what is written in the back of this cover. Pressure sensitive grip pen. As you can see this one, it is written like reproduce the experience and artistic control of traditional brushes and markers at 2048 pressure levels. So that means that there are 2048 levels of pressure in this pen tablet. Artistically speaking, you have the sensitivity of the pen will be like going up to 2048 levels of pen pressure when you try to force it down, pin it down, pen on the graphic tablet, on the graphic area of the tablet. So when you press it harder, you get more intensity of the brush or whatever software you are using in your computer, your workstation. So moving on to the next thing, we are going to unpack this. So let's see how we do. So basically, this dongle can be connected via Bluetooth to this computer or the machine you are using or any laptop. So this is the dongle which basically gets connected to the Wacom pen tablet. I can connect this into this device, and this is the dongle which is going to get connected to the computer or laptop, whatever you are using. And this is mainly the battery which is going to be charging this Wacom pen tablet. So to charge the battery, we have one wire over here which the Wacom guys have provided to us. This wire can be used to charge this whole pen tablet setup in this battery, and we can use it either ways. So this feature comes in the new version of Wacom pen tablet, the Intuos Pro version, which is this one. So now, as I turn this tablet, I need to see this slot over here. So basically, I can press this one and I can open this. So this gives us a slot to connect the battery and a slot to connect this dongle over which we have over here. So I'm going to show you how I connect this dongle. I will remove this covering which is by default given over there. I will check this slot. I will connect this. So we have the battery over here. As you can see, the details of this battery is written over here. That is like 1150 megahertz. Yes, as you can see, connect this battery to this long-term tablet. So to find out the right way to do this, I guess it should be like this, and it got connected. And also, I don't know whether this is going to work or not. This is not going to work. Anyways, our Wacom is being set up, so I will shut this cover in over here. Right, ready. So in the next segment, we are going to connect this set up Wacom pen tablet to the computer, and we are going to load the driver and show you how this actually works using a like 3D software, maybe like ZBrush, and we will show you